Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a product page with Pagefly on Shopify. To get started, if you don't have a Shopify account as yet, you can use the link in the description, and with that link, you'll be able to get started on your free trial. And then from there, you'll only need to pay $1 for the next 3 months. Once you have created your account, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And you're going to tap on apps from the left hand menu option. Then you're going to tap on all recommended apps and you're going to select Shopify App Store. Once on the App Store, you're going to tap on the search bar at the top of the page and you're going to simply type in Pagefly. So let's do that real quick, and you can select Pagefly from there. Then you'll tap on Pagefly Landing Page Builder and you can get started for completely free with Pagefly. Keep in mind that you'll only be able to publish one page. So you're going to tap on install. Once you have installed the app, you will be redirected to the Pagefly dashboard. Once on the dashboard, what I want you to do next is you're going to create your first page. By going over to the left hand menu option, you can either select pages there or you can tap on create your first page right there and tap on start creating. After doing that, you will tap on create from template. Since this tutorial is about product page, we're going to select product. Then after doing that, you're going to tap on legacy editor and you will be redirected to the template page. And you can scroll down and select whichever one of these templates to your liking. There are numerous options that you can choose from. Let's say for example's sake, we were to select this template. So we'll tap on select. After you have tapped on select, you will be redirected to the editor page and you can quickly start editing. So for example's sake, you can tap on whatever you like to change and go over to the left hand column and you could change the text. So instead of it saying 50%, we're going to be offering 25% off. You can also change the images by selecting the image. Then you can tap on the left hand column and you could tap on change to change the image. It is beginner friendly and easy to use. Just tap wherever you like to change and you'll see the different options from the left hand menu option right there that you can apply. Now, if it is a case that you would like to add a particular section, you can tap on add section right there and you can select templates. Then from here you can select the type of section that you would like to add. So you have numerous options. You can also tap on category and you can see different categories. Let's say we would like to add a trust badge. We could select trust badge. Then from there you can see different options. Let's say this one, we can tap on select. After you have tapped on select, just like that, it will be added. It's as easy as that. And you can continue adding more sections if you want. And also by going over to the left hand menu option, if we were to tap on elements, you can see different elements that you can quickly drag and add. So if you like to add a slideshow, you can drag and place the slideshow. You can also add content and different options as you can see right there. And if we were to tap on third party app, from there you will normally see different integrations by tapping on manage integrations, or you can tap right here and you could search for different app integrations that you can quickly add. It is beginner friendly and easy to use. Once you're finished editing it, you'll tap on save. Then from there you could change the page title. So I'm just going to call it test product. So let me do that real quick. So I'll tap right here and I'm going to call it test product. So let me type in test product real quick. Then you're going to tap on save once more. After the page has been saved, you're going to tap on publish. Then you're going to tap on select products and you can select the product that you would like to replace. So let's say this product and we're going to tap on select. Then you will tap on publish once more. After you have tapped on publish, it will automatically add the page to your Shopify store. Once the page has been added, as you can see right here, you can tap on the X in the top right hand corner. Once you're finished, you can see that it has been published and we can preview the page by tapping on preview and you can see how it looks. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button.